We are going to start out by removing the plastic liner from the inside of the vase. So you can either use the scissors and cut it out, or if you just pull on that bag, it does come out pretty easily. Then you'll grab your block of floral foam and your hot glue, apply some hot glue to the bottom of the floral foam, and stick it to the center of the vase. Then grab a handful of Spanish moss, spread it out on top of the floral foam, and then grab a couple of floral pins, push them in through the Spanish moss into the floral foam to hold everything in place. Then we're going to start preparing all of our greenery and cutting it apart before putting anything into the vase. So grab that sparkly berry stem, separate out all the branches, and cut apart the 3 main branches. Then we'll grab our pine branch and do the same thing. So separate all of the different stems of the pine branch, grab your floral cutter, and cut apart all 3 of the main pieces. Then grab your sparkly juniper spray, separate everything as you see done in the video, and we're going to cut this one into the most pieces. So grab your wire cutter and you're going to cut off the 2 even pieces on the right and the left. Then you'll separate that top stem, and on that top stem you're going to divide it a little bit more. So you'll have 1 large piece and you'll cut apart that small piece. Now we're going to take all the pieces we cut apart previously and start placing them in the vase. We're going to start out with the ones with the red berries. You should have 1 taller piece and 2 shorter pieces, so take that bigger, taller piece and place it towards the back in the center. Then you'll take the 2 shorter pieces and place them towards the front, on the right and the left side of the vase. Next, we're going to start placing in our pine pieces. So grab the one that's the fullest and the biggest, take it and place it behind that tall berry stem, and put it right in the back center of your arrangement. Then you'll take the 2 smaller pieces of pine and put 1 on each side behind the berry stems that you placed in the front. Then we're going to take our sparkly juniper sprays and start filling in the empty spots. So take 2 of the larger ones, you're going to place 1 on the right side and 1 on the left, and we're going to tuck them right in front of the pine that we put in. Then we'll take the 3 smaller pieces that we have left over and start filling in the front. So you'll put 1 in each corner in the front and 1 in the center. Then we'll do a little fluffing, and our last step is to take our ribbon, wrap it around the entire vase, and in the front we're going to take the 2 ends, tie a double knot, and then trim the ends. And then you're ready to display your arrangement.